Hello guys, welcome to Ayobola Farms Nigeria. um Today I'm going to be showing you guys an update on how to care for your pregnant sow, like how to attend to a sow in delivery when your sow is about to give birth, when your sow is in labor, what to do and how to go about it to ensure that a lot of your piglets will survive the first critical phase of their life, which is when they are being given birth to. So all the things you need to do to prepare for the labor of your sow, I'm going to be showing you guys everything here in this video. So firstly, when your sow is closer to the period of giving birth, you already know the date. Normally their pregnancy period is 3 months, 3 weeks and 3 days. Is a common knowledge for all pig farmers. So but when your sow is closer to a delivery date, you should know that you should be prepared. You should be getting ready for labor, for delivery of the sow. So if you have a farrowing crate in your farm, when the sow is at about 3 months, 3 weeks, when it's just left with maybe 3 days, I think that should be enough. You can move the sow from the pen where it is to the farrowing crate when the period of her delivery is near, like maybe 3 days prior to the actual date of her delivery, so that it's going to get used to the farrowing pen, is going to get used to the environment, to the new environment, and get comfortable with it. Very important, because if the sow is not comfortable in the farrowing crate before delivery, it might not give birth. It might not be comfortable giving birth in the farrowing crate. So hence it might even stop labor. It might even want to start laboring in the farrowing crate, but because of the discomfort, or because it's not used to the farrowing crate, it might stop giving birth. It might not go into labor. The labor might stop. It might not give birth, even though you have seen sign that it wants to give birth. So it's very important to make sure the sow is already familiar with the use of farrowing crates. Then after placing the sow in the crate, make sure that the sow is very comfortable. After you place the sow in the crate, in the farrowing crate, just monitor it and see if it's getting used to the crate, and if it's getting comfortable with the crate before the actual date of delivery. So, and again, the very important thing to note is when you cross your sow, at the period of crossing, you are sure that the boar have served the sow. You should take note of the date of crossing so that you'll be able to get the accurate date of delivery, because you start counting after the first day of crossing the sow. That's after the first day of serving the sow with the boar. So you start counting the days, 3 months, 3 weeks and 3 days, so that you will not miss the date, so that you be very prepared for the date. So when you know the dates, when you have your dates, then you'll be able to prepare for the delivery date. So that is just it. And on the day of delivery, you should be around. If you are not around, make sure someone is around to monitor the sow, because when giving birth, a lot of things can happen. You can't predict what will happen, so you just have to be there. Some sows might have complication giving birth. Some sows might be aggressive. So you just have to be there to monitor the procedure, and so that you'll be able to, as the sow is giving birth, you'll be able to attend to the newborn piglets to assist the sow. Because normally, I know some people might say normally God has created everything to give birth, that when they give birth they know how to take care of their babies. But you know this is a confined environment. This is a very intense system of farming, where you just cage the animals and you feed them. They are not free to roam around. They are not free to do the normal things that their normal wild self will do during delivery. So but since you are controlling the environment, you should be there to control the delivery process too, to attend and to assist the sow in every way possible, so as to ensure that a lot of your piglets, newborn piglets, survive. Because the piglet is the profit, and that is the main reason why you are farming pigs, because of the way they give birth. They give birth to a lot of pigs. They give birth to a lot of piglets. So if you can, like, if you can take care of them, or the piglets, for instance, now maybe you also give birth to 10 piglets. If all those 10 piglets survive, when they are 6 months old and they are weighing like 80 to 90 kg at 6 months old, or even 100 kg at 6 months old, you know how much that is when you sell them. So the piglets is the profit of pig farming. You have to monitor your profits. When a piglet dies, it is a loss, because that is a profit, potential profit lost. So just make sure that, do everything possible to make sure that a lot of your piglets survive. Then during the process of delivery, make sure that you have clean clothes around, like towel or dry clothes, clean dry clothes. Then your scissors or your blade should be around the facility of delivery. Then you should be patient too. You should come with a lot of patience and just wait with the sow through the process of childbirth, so that as the sow is pushing the piglet out, you are cleaning the piglet's body with dry clean clothes, cleaning the nose, cleaning the mouth, trying to remove anything that might block the piglet from breathing quickly, so as to improve the survival chances of the piglets, so that when they are coming out, they are covered with mucus, they are covered with some tinge, some light skin. I don't know the name in English, I've forgotten, but you have to clean it off their body, clean it off their head, their face, their mouth, their nose, so they can breathe. And then after that, you cut the cord of the placenta that is attached to the piglet to the size that is not going to affect the piglet movement from one place to another. Then you clean the blood, clean everything, make sure you are cleaning them, and the environment is dry. Make sure that the environment, the delivery pen, is dry. So this pig is in labor. You can see the milk dropping from her nipples. She's in labor. She has given birth to 2 piglets already. So we are still waiting. She's not done with delivery. So you can see. We are still waiting for the rest of the delivery. Hopefully it's not going to take too long. And you can see I'm with my clothes, my cleaning materials. I used to clean the body of the piglet. I use it to clean their nose, to remove every mucus, so that they can breathe. So as to give them chance, the high chance of survival. So you can see it's still in labor. The reason why the sow is not in the farrowing crate is because I placed the sow in the farrowing crate. It's supposed to give birth the day before this day that this sow is giving birth, but it was not comfortable with the farrowing crate. It was like when the time for delivery, because it was supposed to give birth on the 1st of December, so 2024. So, and he gave birth on the 2nd of December 2024, after removing it from the farrowing crate. After removing it from the farrowing crate the next day, because I was expecting it to give birth on the 1st of December, my farm boy said it went into labor shouting. It was shouting around 11 at night, 11:12 at night of on the 1st of December 2024. So, but it did not push out any piglets. So when I got to the farm the next day, that was on the 2nd, we had to quickly remove it from the farrowing crate. Then I gave it oxytocin to
at
but out
least
of the
maybe to
16,
induce labor again. So and thank God it
2
came into labor and it
are
delivered
still
all these
dead.
piglets on the
2 have
second.
died from
So that is why I
miscarriage,
said you
so
should make sure that the
they
soil
didn't
is already
survive.
familiar with
As
the
you
soil
can
is
see,
already
this is the
familiar
placenta,
with
and that
the
is the 2
farrowing crates,
piglets
with
that
the use
didn't
of
survive.
farrowing crates.
They died from their mother's
So
womb,
that is just it.
so they came out dead. So, but in total, plus these 2, in total, all the piglets he gave birth to is 16 piglets by the grace of God. So you can see them. They have sucked their mother's milk, breast milk,
So thanks
as
for
they're
watching,
sleeping.
and if you are new to my
All of them
channel,
are
please
sleeping
subscribe to
now,
my channel and like my videos, and
and are still
also click on the
sucking too.
notification bell to get notified
Some
when
are
I
still
post a new
sucking.
video. And stay tuned for continuous learning on my channel. Thank you for watching.
Some are sleeping.